What is the legal difference between AI ethics and law? Imagine trying to navigate a busy city without traffic rules. You might have good intentions, but chaos can still happen. That's similar to how AI governance works with ethics and law. They are like two different maps guiding us through the complex world of artificial intelligence. Legal rules are like traffic laws. They are written down, enforceable, and have clear consequences if broken. When it comes to AI, laws cover responsibility, ownership, and liability. For example, if an AI system causes harm, the law determines who is responsible, usually the company deploying it or the person controlling it. Courts interpret these rules in real cases, setting examples for future situations. These legal frameworks include tort law, which deals with injuries caused by AI, and contract law, which governs agreements involving AI systems. Ethics, on the other hand, are more like personal morals or community standards. They are principles that guide what we believe is right or wrong but are not enforceable by law. Ethical guidelines for AI focus on responsible use, fairness, transparency, and avoiding harm. For instance, organizations might follow ethical standards to ensure their AI does not discriminate or invade privacy, even if the law does not explicitly requiring it. Ethics help shape best practices and often push beyond legal minimums. In legal practice, the difference becomes clear with how lawyers use AI tools. They must follow ethical rules to keep client confidentiality, verify AI outputs for accuracy, and disclose AI use in legal documents. These ethical duties are based on professional conduct rules. But legal liability adds another layer. If a lawyer relies on faulty AI information and it causes harm, they can face legal penalties. So, ethics guide responsible behavior, while law enforces accountability. When it comes to AI accountability and liability, law sets who is responsible when AI systems malfunction or cause damage. Existing laws like tort law assign responsibility to organizations or individuals for injuries or damages. These legal frameworks are designed to protect people and ensure that someone is held accountable. Ethics, however, focus on responsible conduct and maintaining human oversight. An organization might act ethically by keeping humans involved in decision-making, even if the law does not requiring it. This ethical stance aims to prevent problems before they happen, not just respond after. Governance and regulation are also different. Laws create mandatory rules that must be followed, like disclosing AI use in court or verifying AI outputs. Violating these rules can lead to legal penalties. Ethical standards, however, are more like aspirational goals. They encourage professionals to go beyond minimum legal requirements, such as ensuring AI systems are explainable and fair. These ethical standards help guide responsible use even when laws are silent. Both ethics and law address confidentiality and data protection. Legal rules, like attorney-client privilege, are enforceable and have clear penalties for breaches. Ethics requiring lawyers to understand how AI systems handle data and to be cautious about risks. For example, ethical principles might advise lawyers to avoid sharing sensitive information with AI platforms that could misuse it. Bias and fairness are also areas where law and ethics differ. Laws prohibit discrimination and bias, especially in employment or housing, and courts can penalize violations. Ethical guidelines recommend that AI developers and users actively work to prevent bias and understand potential flaws. While laws set the minimum standards, ethics often push for higher levels of fairness and transparency. Disclosing AI use is another key point. Laws increasingly requiring legal professionals to reveal when they use AI in court or legal documents. Failing to do so can lead to legal trouble. Ethically, lawyers are encouraged to be transparent with clients about AI tools, especially when AI significantly influences their work. Sometimes ethical standards go beyond legal requirements, emphasizing honesty and clarity. Finally, competence and knowledge are essential. Laws requiring lawyers to understand AI capabilities and limitations to serve clients well. Ethically, Lawyers must exercise judgment and recognize that AI tools are assistants, not replacements for human expertise. They need to stay informed about AI developments to use these tools responsibly. In the end, law and ethics work together to guide AI use. Laws enforce minimum standards and hold people accountable, while ethics encourage higher standards and responsible behavior. Both are necessary to ensure AI systems are used safely, fairly, and transparently. Understanding this difference helps organizations and individuals navigate the evolving world of artificial intelligence with confidence and integrity.